Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name is Kristen, your live agent, here to take you through the 2023 Cadillac CT5 midsize luxury sedan. Available in 5 models: luxury, premium luxury, sport, the high-performance CT5V, and the ultra-high-performance CT5V blackwing. From every angle, the CT5 exudes bold athleticism and raw power, an expressively styled American luxury sedan. Take a look at the bright Galvano detailing on the signature grille, available on the luxury and premium luxury trim, shown here in Summit White, signifying the unmistakable Cadillac stance. The signature vertical lighting continues the statement with vibrant LED headlamps which meld design and function by contributing to the optimized aerodynamic flow of CT5. 19-inch alloy wheels with a diamond-cut midnight silver finish paired with low-profile tires further complement the sophisticated sculpture. Now, let's take a look inside. The interior of the CT5 is the result of obsessive craftsmanship and quality. Premium materials have been meticulously chosen and designed for you. This model shows the Sahara beige leather seating surfaces and jet black accents, and features heated and ventilated front seats with available power lumbar massage. The Cadillac user experience offers a variety of convenience and personalization options to use through the 10-inch diagonal HD color touchscreen and rotary controller. Take advantage of wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility to access messages, music, maps, and more from your compatible iPhone. The CT5 also comes with wireless Android Auto compatibility, wireless charging, and in-vehicle apps such as available Amazon Alexa built in. Additionally, the CT5 includes available Super Cruise, the world's first true hands-free driver assistance feature for up to 400,000 miles of compatible highways in the US and Canada. From a performance perspective, the twin-scroll turbocharged 2.0-liter engine delivers rapid power for spirited performance and excellent efficiency. For more power, choose the available 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, or opt for the most powerful Cadillac sedan with the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine in the CT5V Blackwing. That delivers a whopping 668 horsepower, 659 pound-foot of torque, and acceleration capability of 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astounding 3.4 seconds. The advanced 10-speed automatic transmission shifts gears electronically with the sleek console-mounted electronic precision shift, as well as the standard steering wheel paddle shifters for the tactile thrill of control. And for enhanced driving dynamics and traction, the CT5 has a driver mode selector to personalize your drive calibrations. It enables you to select the mode that matches the driving conditions for impeccable response and handling. The available all-wheel drive monitors and distributes power to the wheels that need it during inclement weather and when cornering. For safety and security, the Cadillac Smart System is standard on CT5. This suite of safety and driver assistance features includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, safety alert seat, and more. Additionally, CT5 has an available rear camera mirror and HD surround vision. To learn more about the CT5, schedule an appointment with our Cadillac Live experts who can answer your questions and give you a personal video tour. Thank you for taking a look at the 2023 CT5.